Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Master Course for Excel Dashboard Analytics. This is the first chapter under the beginner series and it's called Getting Familiar with Excel. Alright, so this is the most basic module of this whole entire course. We'll be going through exactly what are all the basic functions of Excel, how to navigate around the tool, and most importantly, to familiarize yourself with using this application. Okay, so ultimately we'll be learning how to be building dashboards and how to use data analytics. But before we do so, it's definitely very important to know the basics. Okay, but if you're already, somewhat like an experienced Excel user, then maybe, you can just skip forward to the more intermediate and professional modules or the Super Pro series. But, if you need, a recap on the basics, or you just need to understand a little bit more on the basics of Excel, then let's quickly open up your Excel and let me give you a quick walkthrough. Alright, so basically if you open up your Excel, this area here below, this entire area here is your worksheet. Alright, this is where you put in information into your worksheet. The area above here is where it has a lot of tools and a lot of functions on how you can create your worksheet. Is basically called the ribbon. So this entire area here with all these little tabs, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and developer, all of this is called the ribbon. We've got like customizable quick tools over here to help make it more convenient for you to use the functions, but practically every single tool and function can be sort of like explored in the central ribbon area and broken down into these various subcategories. Okay, let's say if you click on any of these rectangles, basically these are called cells. If you click on any of the rectangles, let's say G6, and notice that the name box over here is also showing as G6 accordingly. Let's try to create a worksheet, for instance, for sales profits over a couple of different months. All right, so we call it months, and then we put it sales profits, and then let's say January, and then we want to just, copy and drag it all the way to December. And then profits, maybe we start off the year with 20,000. And then from there, we want to input a formula equals, 20,000 times 1.10. So every subsequent month, you have improved by 10%. When this happens, you've created basically a very simple data set. But sales profits, let's say you want to put it to show it more professionally in dollar signs. Under the home tab, you can actually sort of like put it in dollar signs. And then notice that it's a little bit too much for the cell width. What you can do, you can mouse over to the width of the column, and then when you see the two arrows pointing on each side, you can just drag it out. And then there you go. They are now all in dollar signs. And with all these decimal places, maybe what you can do is just decrease the decimal places here, decrease it, and there you go. This is a little spreadsheet you have here. You want to bold them, you can actually just press B, Control B, or you can just click on this button here. Okay, this is a quick spreadsheet you have created on all your sales revenues, your sales profits for the entire year across the different months. And as you mouse your mouse over the data set, there is a quick analysis. When you click on it, it allows you to create charts, tables, etc. You can do it however you want. And then let's say if you create a table, you can also choose different kinds of table styles together with your spreadsheet. Okay, so it's up to you. Let's say I go for the black one, and then I can also decide whether you want banded rows, or you don't want banded rows, you want first column, etc. It's how you want to do it. And let's say if I want the total as well, there you go, I've got the total. Okay, so it's pretty intuitive what you can do with Excel. So this is basically just one spreadsheet. If you want to go to multiple spreadsheets, you can click the different spreadsheets over here. I'll be covering more on that later. And these are the main categorical functions of Excel: the ribbon, the spreadsheet, the formula bar, and also different pages across. Alright, so hopefully this is not too much to take in for the first module. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, see you.